Tired of trying to make money online and seeing zero results? What if I told you that you can earn $5,000 a month without showing your face? Just using AI, short videos, and mini ebooks. I know how overwhelming it can be when you're just starting out. So many platforms, tools, and promises, and most of them lead nowhere. I've been there myself. That's why I want to show you a method that's not only simple, but actually works. This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy. It's a real strategy that leverages the tools of the modern internet, and people are already doing it successfully on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and a powerful platform called Whop.com. The way people make money online is changing. The era of needing a massive 200-page masterpiece of an ebook or a 10-hour video course to get started is over. We live in an economy of attention, and attention spans are shorter than ever. This has created a massive untapped demand for mini digital products. These are small, hyper-focused, and instantly downloadable guides that solve one specific problem for one specific person. Think of a 15-page guide on how to write the perfect cover letter, or a 10-page checklist for packing for a European vacation. This is where short-form content on platforms like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts comes in. These platforms are designed to push content to new audiences, giving you a direct line to millions of potential customers without needing a pre-existing following. This is where Whop.com enters the picture. Think of Whop like a digital storefront, a Shopify specifically designed for creators selling digital products and services. It's a seamless, professional, and incredibly easy-to-use platform that acts as the central hub for your entire operation. It's where you'll host your mini ebook, process payments, and deliver the product to your customer automatically. You don't need to worry about payment gateways, file hosting, or customer access. Whop handles it all, allowing you to focus on the creative part. We're seeing a surge of faceless creators using this exact model. They create an anonymous brand account in a specific niche, like personal finance or fitness, post simple, valuable short videos, and direct all that traffic to a single Whop link in their bio. The best part, this strategy requires no existing following to get started. You don't need to be on camera, and you certainly don't need any advanced tech skills. If you can use social media, you can do this. The opportunity is to become a digital architect, building a small but profitable empire, one mini product at a time. So what exactly will you be selling? The core of this strategy revolves around creating and selling AI-generated mini ebooks. Before you get intimidated, let me be clear. These are not 1,000-page novels. We're talking about short, valuable, and easily digestible guides, typically between 10 and 20 pages long. Their power lies in their specificity. They solve a single burning problem for your target audience. And the best part, you can create one in about an hour using AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. You simply provide the AI with a detailed prompt, and it will generate the entire text for you. Your job is to then edit, format it into a clean PDF using a free tool like Canva, and create a simple cover. The heavy lifting is done by the machine. Let's talk about high potential niches, because choosing the right topic is half the battle. You want areas where people are actively searching for solutions and willing to pay. Here are a few proven winners. First, fitness. Mini ebooks like the 7-day bodyweight workout plan or a beginner's guide to meal prepping for weight loss are always in demand. Second, productivity. This massive market includes guides like mastering the Pomodoro technique in 24 hours or 10 AI prompts to automate your workflow. Students and professionals crave efficiency. Third, dating and relationships, an evergreen space. Ebooks like 50 Unforgettable First Date Ideas or How to Craft a Magnetic Dating Profile have big appeal. And finally, personal finance, the most profitable niche. Guides like The Ultimate Beginner's Budgeting Template or 5 Side Hustles you can launch this weekend for under $100. Tap into people's deep desire for financial stability. Mini ebooks are incredibly flexible to monetize. You can offer them free as lead magnets to grow your email list, bundle them as bonuses to increase value and conversions, or sell them directly as low-cost digital products. When priced right, they become easy impulse buys, especially when your content delivers upfront value. Your content is the engine that drives traffic to your Whop store. Viral-style short videos are scalable, faceless, and highly effective. Use stock footage, text on screen, and a compelling voiceover. Sites like Pexels or Pixabay have aesthetic B-roll for any niche. Cafe work setups for productivity, workouts for fitness. Pick visuals that reflect your ebook's tone. You don't need fancy software to edit. CapCut does the job for free. Import your clips, trim them, and add dynamic captions that appear word by word. This style grabs attention fast. For audio, either use trending TikTok Reels sounds or plug in AI voiceovers with 11 Labs or CapCut's built-in tools. This gives your brand a consistent voice without using your own. Stick to a simple video framework: problem, micro solution, call to action. Start with a relatable issue, like you can't save money each month. Then give a tip pulled from your ebook. Try the pay yourself first method. Transfer 10% to savings right when you get paid. Finally, invite them to go deeper. This is just one of 10 strategies in my beginner's guide to budgeting. Grab it now on Whop, link in bio. This flow builds trust and makes buying feel natural. A single 15-page ebook can fuel dozens of videos, creating a repeatable content machine. Once your ebook and content plan are ready, it's time to set up your Whop storefront, the step where monetization kicks in. It's simpler than it sounds. Just create an account, name your store, ideally matching your faceless brand, and write a short, strong description. Upload your PDF, write a benefit-rich product blurb, and add a cover image. It's all beginner-friendly. Finally, let's talk pricing. You have 3 great models. First, offer the ebook for free to grow your email list quickly. Whop integrates with email tools, so every download adds a new contact you can market to later. Second, go for an impulse buy price, $5 to $15. It's low risk for the buyer, especially after getting value from your content. These sales add up fast. Third, build recurring income with a subscription model. Offer monthly access for $10, where subscribers get a new mini ebook each month. That creates stable, predictable revenue, the ultimate goal for any digital business. This system allows you to explore multiple monetization models simultaneously. You have direct sales from people buying your ebook. Inside the ebook itself, you can include affiliate links. For example, in a productivity ebook, you could have an affiliate link to a project management software you recommend. If a reader clicks and signs up, you earn a commission. This creates a second layer of income from the same product. And finally, you have the long-term value of the email list you're building. This is where you can build a real community and promote future products or higher ticket offers. The real magic here is the stacking effect. Imagine you create 30 short videos promoting your one ebook. Some will get a few thousand views and one might go viral and get 1 million. Each video is a tiny salesperson working for you 24/7, driving traffic to your Whop link. This is how you can effectively earn on Whop without a massive hands-on effort for every single sale. This is the exact step-by-step strategy you can follow to get started today. First, choose a profitable niche: fitness, productivity, dating, finance, something with urgent problems people are desperate to solve. Next, generate a high-value mini ebook using an AI tool like ChatGPT. Keep it short, focused, and filled with actionable advice. Design it nicely in Canva. This becomes your core product. Then create a batch of viral-style short videos. Use free B-roll from Pexels, dynamic captions in CapCut, and an AI voiceover. Stick to the formula. Hook with a problem, share a quick solution from your ebook, and close with a call to action. Upload these videos consistently to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, platforms that push content to new audiences for free. Every video and your profile bio should include a clear call to action leading to your Whop link. That's how you convert viewers into customers. You'll make money from Whop ebook sales, affiliate commissions from ebook links, and long-term email list value. The system is supposed to be repeated. With one successful product, you can start another in a new niche or expand inside the same one. Beginners love its simplicity: no face, no product, and no complicated setup. After launching your system and getting sales, you'll want to scale without working more. Here's how: start by batch creating material. Do not upload videos daily. Instead, spend 1 day a week or month writing screenplays, gathering B-roll, and editing 1030 videos. Schedule automatic posting. This maintains consistency and reduces burnout, essential for growth. Secondly, A/B test hooks and titles. Try 2 intros for the same video. Are you struggling with X? And stop doing X if you want Y. Post both and see which does better. Improve future videos with this knowledge. The same goes for Whop product titles and descriptions. Third, nurture your email list from the start. Connect with emails, not just collect them. Establish a simple automated sequence. The first email repeats the ebook. The next offers a recommendation, and later, emails promote a trustworthy affiliate product or case study. This strengthens trust and encourages repeat purchases. Cross-post your material last. Upload the same clip to TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest Idea Pins. Use trendy sounds on TikTok, relevant hashtags on Instagram, and strong titles on YouTube. This increases traffic to your Whop URL with no effort. This is your sign to stop trading your time for money and finally build a digital business that works for you. The entry barrier, it's never been lower. Want to get started fast? Grab your free guide and more exclusive tools to kickstart your journey. First 100 downloads only. Act now before it's gone. Click the link now and grab them all. They're ready and waiting. Now tell me, which niche would you try this with? Fitness, finance, productivity, or something completely different? Drop your ideas in the comments. I read and replied to every single one. And if this brought you value, like the video so more people can break free too. Don't wait, your digital freedom starts today. Everything you need is right below.